What's up, everybody? You're watching Oscorp. Today I'm going to be opening up Astral Radiance Booster Box, and I've been pretty excited to go and open these up. I haven't had the chance to really open them up, but I've been paying attention to the giveaway, and it's my first giveaway, so I want to make sure that things go smoothly and correct and stuff like that. So I haven't really paid attention to opening up any of these Astral Radiance boxes. So today's going to be the chance for me to go and open up some more packs. My chase is the trainer gallery cards, so hopefully I could get those. I've already collected about 10 out of the 30, which is pretty cool for the past couple of booster boxes you've seen me open up already. The first one was with my homeboy Chris, and then the other one was with my nieces. So this is going to be booster box number 3, and let's go and see what we got in these packs. Hopefully we can get some trainer gallery cards and complete that set. Alright, we got our 36 packs here, and I don't know where I'm going to put these. I don't know. Yeah, just leave them like this. But one thing that I didn't get to do was show all the different types of packages. There is 5 different ones now. There used to be 3, or maybe 4. There used to be 4, but there's 5 different ones for Astral Radiance, which is pretty damn cool. So I never got to go and display those. My bad. But here they are right now. All right, so let's gonna go open up these packs. I'm probably going to do it just like how I do Evolving Skies. We're just going to hit hunt. I'll show the code cards, and I will show you the hits. Ooh, Choi. First hit. First pack, first hit. Trainer gallery. All right, Darkrai. Oh, this is a trainer gallery card too. Yep, need you. That's 1. Ooh, Xtian Typhlosion V. Check that out, nice. Ah, V-Star marker, great. Ooh, Origin Form Dialga V-Star. So I've been getting these a lot. So this is my 3rd one now. That's interesting. Let's see something shiny. We got a trainer gallery card, and we got a double hit. Xtian Lilligant V, nice one. Whoa! Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX Trainer Gallery. I don't have this. Nice. Let's move this all over here so we can put more cards over here. Let's see, that's 4, that's 9 hits so far on the one half of the box, which is pretty good. Pretty good. So far I have I don't have 3 of them. Is that true? Oh, Cleaver and Heatran. Nice. Ooh, Champ VMAX. That's a nice one. I don't have that. Lucario V. My niece wants this. I want to keep this one out. I can't open this one. Oh man, Origin Form Diagonal V-Star Gold card. Check that out. Alright, here's the recap. So we have a Hisuian Lilligant V. We got the Heatran V. Lucario V. Darkrai V. Hisuian Typhlosion V. I like this card. And I really like this Machamp. This is really cool. Oh, there was one more. We got Choi. He's called the Bug Boy. Trainer card. For the trainer gallery, I only got 2 cards this time for my master set. We got we got Phalanx, we got Cleaver, we got Hootie Hoo. This one I do need. Alistair. I didn't realize that this is the trainer gallery card until I saw that TG at the bottom. So I'm glad I actually got it. And then we got this guy right here, Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX. And then the guy who keeps on following me, Origin Form Diagonal V-Star. I guess this is cool, but I didn't know that this one was gonna follow me. So this is a really good kicker right here. I didn't expect to get a gold card, but it's pretty nice. Cool. Let me know in the comments which cards did you like the best out of this box. My favorite so far is actually this gold card, and that's it. The gold card. I did get 14 hits, and that's pretty good. But you know, I only got to go and get 2 cards from my trainer gallery subset, so I'm a little disappointed in this one. But you know, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I like making them. So smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you in the next video sometime soon. Take it easy. Woo!